I think the people who own GoPros know the true pain of GoPros. GoPros are some terrible cameras that we keep buying and buying because they're so good with the action part of it. It's just hard to beat, even if they're crappy. I don't even know how that makes sense, but it does actually, because think about it. With this camera, I can take this into the trail. I can have it on my motorcycle. If it breaks, I get unlimited replacement from my GoPro account. And on top of that, it can take some nice videos if you have the proper setting. Now, with that being said, the audio quality is trash, which is why I actually got these fuzzy things on the mics today. And most importantly, the batteries are trash. For some reason, my GoPro especially turns on its own, and it just drains the battery and it will just die, and then it'll just stay dead. And I only actually have one battery. I've had GoPro 5 Session. I actually never had a problem with that one, but I actually upgraded to the 6. The 6 was extremely glitchy. Then I upgraded to the 10, and then now I got this 9, you know, kind of downgraded, because this was actually causing less problem for people than the 10, and they're pretty much the same anyway. The people who own GoPros know the true pain of owning a GoPro. GoPros are some terrible cameras with some really good things that they have to offer. I can take this thing to the trail, put it on my motorcycle, put it on my bike. It's lightweight, and if I drop this, break it, I get unlimited replacement without any questions asked from GoPro. I just can't beat it. And with that same plan, I actually get unlimited storage with them too, so I just couldn't beat this, you know. That's why I still have a GoPro. But GoPros are known for being glitchy, unreliable, terrible battery life, terrible audio quality, video quality. I actually found a way to get pretty good video quality out of this thing. You just have to change some things in the settings. I also fuzzy things for audio, and now I'm actually gonna tackle that one problem that I have never tackled with GoPros. I've had the Session, which didn't need an extra battery because it couldn't mount an extra battery on it. Then I had the 6, it would just run out. Then I had the 10, these just like turn on its own sometimes. I would just have it on my desk, and then it would just beep beep beep, turns on, just stays on without recording or anything, and then it dies on its own, you know, until the battery dies. And then sometimes it just freezes and also dies. So it's a lot of dying there. But this is my GoPro battery. This is what it looks like. It's a Hero 9, actually downgraded from 10 to 9. I'm actually experiencing a lot less glitchiness with the 9 than the 10, so that's a good thing. It's actually my first time buying extra batteries for GoPro, but I think I definitely need it, especially I'm riding motorcycle and stuff. Pretty generic, you know, the packaging was just cardboard with the sticker on, very generic. We also got a cable to charge the charger here, and that's what I kind of like about this kit. We have a charger with it, and we also have some paperwork here with the volts and output. Now this is actually supposed to be 1800 milliamp, which is actually rated for the GoPro one as well. So the GoPro one here, they look very similar honestly, so you know, that could be deceiving in a way. I'm not seeing any information on the GoPro one, how many milliamp hour it is, but I'm probably just missing that. But I think it was the same as this one, you know, 1800 milliamp hour. So this is what it looks like, you know, it says 10 on it, but it is compatible with, you know, 10, 9, and 11. It just says 10 and 9 on this one. I think this was made before 11 was a thing. I don't see any date on this, but there's a date on the GoPro one. This was made in 2021. But, you know, other than that, everything looks very same and very similar, even with colors and everything like that. So you could even, if you're not looking properly, you could even mistake it for a real one. So without talking too much, let's actually check out the case here for the charger. It's super light, as if like it's just a box. That's how light it is. You gotta pry in your nail to kind of take it out, which is good. You know, it's gonna stay locked, and you have 3 bay in here, and you know, that's kind of a bonus because it makes sense, because you have an original one and then you have 2 other. Now I can leave this thing on my desk or in the saddlebag of my motorcycle and have this thing charge on the motorcycle as I go, and I'll have a unlimited battery glitch, you know. It's pretty cool. See, all my 3 batteries are in here. I can lock it up just like that, and with this cable here, which is a USB-C, I actually have one hanging out here. Just plug it in the back. There's a light in the back, extremely bright, shines on the wall. That's how bright it is. And we also have some indicators in the front. These are red. I'm just letting you know which one is being charged and which one is not. I think it becomes green when it's charged. I actually got a similar pack for my Insta360 here. This one actually charges from USB-C and USB, I think this is A. But you got to be very careful, because these the pin here were very sharp, and when I was trying to put this in, one of these pin wouldn't go in, so you have to like hold these in and then put it in, and then like it wouldn't fit. And I think this just scratches the camera a lot, and I was just not feeling safe about it, so I ended up ordering a OEM one. I think those fit really good, and also you can take it out really good without damaging anything. So I'm actually getting these returned, but yeah, this is what that looks like. So whatever it is that you buy, I think it's better to like kind of test it out. And GoPro batteries are actually not surprisingly expensive like their other stuff, like the mods and stuff. I mean, you know, if you can find a charger like this, it's easy to charge with, you can just buy good batteries and go with that. I was kind of okay with one battery, but like, you know, if I'm riding my motorcycle, this basically acts as a dash cam kind of thing, so I do end up running out of charge in a ride. But I think for 3 batteries, I don't think I'll ever run out, especially probably run out of storage, but not batteries. And the Insta360 batteries last a pretty, you know, good amount of time. Even one lasted me like hours of footage, so I think having another one would be good. So I don't really need any of this stuff, so it's really good to like kind of think about that before you end up keeping one. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.